Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I did this thrift flip. I got something from the thrift shop and this time was a mirror and I flipped it. I upgraded it, I glammed it up, and this is a very easy DIY project. I bought this mirror for €5 and I decorated it to what I wanted. This is the before picture and that is the after picture. Look at the difference. It was just a basic plain mirror. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Seddy. Let's decorate this mirror together. So I'm going to be using these blocks. They are my kids' toys. I was about to throw them away and I said let me repurpose them with this mirror, and this idea just came to my head. So what I'm doing now is I have to make sure I have enough, so I put the blocks alongside the width and the length and I counted and I multiplied it by 2 and I knew I had enough. So now let's go in and do the decorating. Now that we know the blocks are enough for this project, I'm going to be using glue gun, and that's a packet of glue. I got that for €2.50 at the thrift shop. Also, always visit your thrift shop. You will find treasures there. Trust me. This will take me a lifetime to use all of that. So now, basically, I'm just going to cover this mirror with painter's tape. I'm using painter's tape to cover it because when I'm done with this project, I do not want to be cleaning out glue, or I don't want to be cleaning out spray paint from the mirror itself. So basically we'll be working on the borders of the mirror and not the mirror itself. So let's do this. I'm going in with some newspaper to cover the body of the mirror, that's the face of the mirror itself. Like I said, I don't want any spray paint or glue touching the mirror itself, and I want to save time, that's cleaning time afterwards, so I'm protecting it properly. And yeah, very easy. Now I'm going in with the blocks and I'm sticking them alongside the frame of the mirror, and I'm trying to create a pattern. I want it to be uniform, so I measure after every step with the block and I stick. I'm not using a lot of glue, and I'm putting the glue just on the side of the block. So if you have watched up to this point, what are you waiting for? Why have you not yet subscribed to this channel? Like, why? Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment below, join this family. Let's keep watching. Now that we are done, I'm just going to go in with this silver spray and I'm going to spray that down. I'm going to be giving this thing 2 coats of spray and I'm going to let that dry overnight. And I have to also make sure all the little corners, it's not straight, so you have to go in carefully and spray them down. That's why I prepped this mirror very well before I started. I'm just going in now to spray that one more time, and I'm taking my time because I don't want the spray paint runny and drippy. It's just going to mess up the whole thing. So gently and giving about 15 centimeters away from it, I'm spraying it. Now I'm going in at the sides and the little corners and I'm giving that a fine spray too. This is the reason why you had to use that tape before, so you will not be cleaning when you're done. And now that I'm done with that, I let it dry overnight, and the next day I'm taking that out. While I take it out, you see this beauty, you appreciate this beauty. You won't even remember it was a €5 mirror you got just yesterday. It's so beautiful. And now I'm taking out the painter's tape I placed first to protect this mirror. Look at that. I'm going in with some mirror spray or glass cleaner and I'm cleaning this thing down. I want it to shine because it has dust and